Hi everyone, today we will be looking at prime numbers and composite numbers and how to identify the difference between the two. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that only has two factors. When I say two factors, it is a number that is divisible by 1 and divisible by itself. So here we have an example for our study. We have taken the numbers between 2 and 20. So let's have a look at what is a prime number between 2 and 20. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. The reason being because they have two factors. It is divisible by itself and by 1. 4 on the other hand is not a prime number because it has more than two factors. 5 has prime number, 6 is not a prime number, 8 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 12 is not a prime number, 14 is not a prime number, 15 is not a prime number, 16, 18 and 20 are not prime numbers. So let's see from here what are the prime numbers that we are left with. So we are left with the prime numbers from the series of numbers that we have is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So let's understand what makes above numbers prime numbers. Why the above numbers are prime numbers. So 2, as mentioned earlier, it is divisible by 1 and itself. 3 is divisible by itself and 1. 5, as you can see in this example, these are all the numbers that are divisible by itself and 1. 7, again, the same reason that we have this as a prime number. 11, I hope you're getting the idea of why these numbers are prime numbers. 13, 17 and 19. These are all the numbers, as you can see from example here, that these are reason why they are prime numbers is because they are only divisible by itself and 1. Now let's have a look what is composite numbers. So every number which is not a prime number is a composite number. So here we have 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20 as our composite numbers. What makes these numbers composite numbers? So as earlier mentioned, the reason why these numbers are composite numbers because they have more than two factors. So if you look at 4, 4 is divisible by 3 factors. By itself, by 2 and by 1. 6 again, which is not a prime number, is a composite number. The reason is it has 4 factors. It is divisible by itself, by 3, by 2, by 1. 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8. Next number we will look at is 9. Again, it has 4 factors. That's why it is not a prime number. 10, the same reason, it is a composite number. 12, again, it is the same reason as why it is not a prime number because 12 has more than 6 factors here. It has 6 factors. It is divisible by itself, 6, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20 all has more than 2 factors making them composite numbers. So let's have a recap of prime numbers and composite numbers once again. 1 is not a prime number as it is only one factor. It has only one factor. Prime numbers have 2 factors for it to be a prime number. So in examples that we've seen earlier, 2 has 2 factors, 3 has 2 factors, 5 and 2 factors and so on. Any number which has 2 factors are prime numbers. Composite numbers on the other hand has more than 2 factors like we've seen in earlier example. So 4 has 3 factors, 6 has more than 2 factors, 8 has more than 2 factors. These are the reason these are composite numbers. Thank you for watching and I look forward to making the next video very soon.